Hi, and welcome back to another episode on How to Hack. So today we're discussing about the use of remote desktop connection on your mobile device to connect into Windows operating system and how you can configure those settings in your Windows desktop or your laptop, and directly from your Android device you'll be able to download the application and then install it and be able to connect directly into any of those Windows OS. And without further ado, let's get started on today's tutorial. So on the left side of the screen I have a Windows operating system running, and on the right side of the screen I have an Android mobile device running. So we can click into Google Play Store and search for Remote Desktop, and you click onto Microsoft Remote Desktop as the first application that shows up. And of course over here you can see some of the screenshots of the application and how you can use it to connect directly into any of your Microsoft operating system. So you go ahead and click Install. So this will download the file and of course install it into your mobile device. So while it is downloading and installing, we'll go into Windows operating system. Under search, click in remote. And of course under remote, you click on to allow remote access to your computer. Click on that, and I'll click on select users who can use remote desktop, allow remote assistant invitations to be sent from this computer. So again, any of those settings would allow you to actually configure what are the correct or proper information and selection that we can click onto. So this is really useful in terms of managing it. So once we're in, we can actually see under system properties, under remote, allow remote assistant connections to this computer. Click on advanced, allow this computer to be controlled remotely. And of course, the invitation can be up to 6 hours. Click OK on that. And at the bottom, we have the remote desktop and allow remote connections to this computer. And of course, computers have to come in from a network level authentication, and we can click select users. So I have selected Loy Liang Yang to be part of the user group who can actually access remotely into the desktop. And of course, by default, it has already been given the access. Click OK on both of it. And once the application has been installed, click open. And of course, you have to accept the license agreement. Click on accept and click plus on the top right corner of the application. Click desktop, and of course it will scan the network looking for potential operating system in which we can connect into. And of course we select the first one, and of course we can enter the username, and we can add the user account, and of course in this case we can enter Loy Liang Yang, and of course we can enter the password that we will set, allowing us to access directly into the system. Click save on that and click connect. So of course click check on the never ask again for connection to this computer. Of course, we click connect, and this will allow us access directly into the desktop. And from here, you can surf the website, you can surf onto the File Explorer, and so on. So a lot of wonderful capabilities here that we can actually manage on. So this will be really, really helpful for us. So here we can launch Internet Explorer and surf the site. We can open up the File Explorer and look at other things within the desktop. So this allows you to manage the desktop machine remotely from any of your Android mobile device. So there you've seen it, how quickly we could actually connect into any of your desktops or laptops using your mobile device. And you can launch Internet Explorer to surf the web. You can look at the File Explorer to potentially download files into your mobile device, and so on. So a lot of extended features and capabilities that you can actually deploy as part of remote desktop connection. And a lot of this will be explored further in subsequent tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to answer any of those questions. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept abreast of the latest cybersecurity tutorial. Thank you so much once again for watching.